Ever wanted to add a touch of delicate detail to your sewing projects? Today, I'm going to show you how to create a beautiful woven border that's perfect for garments, home decor, and more. First, let's mark our stitching lines. I'm using this handy plastic cross-stitch mesh to draw dots along the fabric. The mesh makes it super easy to keep those dots evenly spaced, 5 millimeters apart to be exact. Using a heat erasable pen and a ruler, I'm drawing dots along the fabric. We'll have 3 lines with 5 millimeter gaps between the dots, then a 1 centimeter gap followed by 7 lines, another 1 centimeter gap, and finally 3 more lines. If you don't have a cross-stitch mesh, no worries. Just use your ruler to mark the dots. These dots will guide our stitches and create the foundation for our weaving. I've chosen brown embroidery floss for this project, but you can also use pearl cotton thread if you prefer. Now let's thread our needle with 4 strands of the embroidery floss. I'm going to stitch running stitches along each of the lines we marked. Remember, the running stitch is a simple straight stitch where you bring the needle up and down through the fabric at regular intervals. For this part, I'm switching to my tapestry needle. See how it has a blunt tip? This is really helpful for weaving because it won't snag or split the threads we've already stitched. Starting from the right side of the first row, weave your needle through the running stitches, creating a beautiful interlaced pattern. Follow the same weaving pattern for each row, moving from right to left. We'll complete the first 3 lines, then move on to the next 7 lines and finally finish with the bottom 3 lines. As you weave, you'll notice a delicate and intricate pattern emerging. It's like creating lace directly on your fabric. This technique is perfect for adding a touch of elegance to garments, home decor, or any fabric project. Imagine this beautiful border adorning the edges of a dress, the cuffs of a blouse, or even the hem of a tablecloth. The possibilities are endless. You can experiment with different weaving patterns, thread colors, and fabric combinations to create your own unique designs. Try using a thicker thread for a bolder look, or add beads and sequins for extra sparkle. I hope you enjoyed this woven border tutorial. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to HandiWorks for more stitching inspiration. Happy crafting!